Welcome back to Javi's Rockin Kitchen, all the way from Isla Mujeres. Today we're gonna have tacos Dorados, or classic whole, as well as flautas. Stay tuned with us. Look at this beautiful, beautiful dish. So first thing we're gonna need is some tortillas, and then eventually I will just tell you all these very simple ingredients, okay? Remember, I'm going to use our cream avocado sauce and also our green salsa that you have all those videos here. Eventually we'll leave it also in the description on the video. We need a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of cilantro, oil, our skillet, medium size. We need a shredded chicken. We're also gonna need some queso fresco, toothpicks, and black sesame seeds. All right, we're also going to need a tray and a piece of paper, absorbent paper, okay? So what we're gonna basically do, first of all, is we're gonna pour our 4 ounces of oil. We don't wanna need any more of that in a small skillet, just like that. Do not waste a lot of oil. This is a very simple and very common vegetable oil. We're gonna go ahead and do it in a maximum fire right here. We're looking for a lot of heat. At the moment, we're also going to need a couple of those, a ton, and that will be it. Stay tuned. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use some of the tortillas that, remember, previously we have a click here in the corner, and we're gonna leave you that video of where to find the tortillas on Isla Mujeres. So I'm gonna use a few of those, and basically what we're gonna do for our taco dorados, or golden tacos, or flautas, it's basically we're gonna get a little bit of that chicken, shredded chicken. We're gonna put it on a tortilla, just like that, and make it a little tight. Make it a little tight, and grab that tortilla and basically roll them as tight as you can. And we're gonna use one of those extra large toothpicks. We're gonna leave it just like that, okay? We're gonna do another one just like these, very, very easy, okay? I'm gonna use more chicken. Something like that, not that much, but yeah, okay. Alrighty, so we'll do it again. We keep it tight, tight. Okay, all that chicken. Chicken that you probably have a little left over, you can actually use it this way. There you go. Oh, it break a little bit. It doesn't matter. You're gonna fry them. So there you go. Do it again. Close it. There you go. So basically we're gonna do this over and over until we have at least 5 or 6 to cover our quota. So basically I will grab them just like this and make it like a little cigar. Just gonna get it tight, 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 and as much and as tight you can. Roll it, pinch it in there. Perfect, we got 3 now. Okay, we're gonna do another 3, how about that? So here they are. The next step will be use our hot oil. We're gonna fry them. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so now that after we fry them, I put them in a little tray with absorbent paper, just right here. I place also a napkin, kitchen napkin, on top of it to help it to absorb the oil out of that, okay? Okay, I just pull out the toothpick out of that thing. You might notice that I use the tongue to break them off so they fit better in the small skillet. Pull them off. They might be a little hot, but that will be the perfect way to serve. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and try to place them in a plate like this. We're gonna serve them just like these. And one of them actually got broken or whatever, it won't matter, okay? Just like that. Okay, perfect. Okay, those are going to be our tacos dorados or flautas. Now, what we're gonna use next, we're going to place the lettuce. We're gonna put a lettuce on top of this. A little bit of lettuce all around, just like that. A little bit more here, right there. Okay, looking good. You can sprinkle also a little bit out of the plate. It won't matter. It will be nice presentation. A little bit of that. Okay, so now we have all this lettuce in here. We're actually going to use our green salsa that we actually have the video. You can check it out. We're gonna leave it in the description of the video. So we're gonna put green salsa all over, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to use a avocado cream. Okay, something like this. All right. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of cilantro on top of this for flavor purposes. A little bit of cilantro. We're gonna tip it with queso fresco. Okay, something beautiful like that. And the last very touch will be a little bit of a black sesame seeds. We're gonna tip it like that. This will give us a lot of flavor as well. And just like that, my friends, we just plated a beautiful tacos dorados or flautas. All right, so this is the way that I make it. It might be something different that you possibly do. Please leave your comments in below. Please also subscribe to Javi's Rockin Kitchen. Remember, thumbs up, share with everybody. Please keep in touch with us, leaving your comments, and once again, thank you for being here in our beautiful channel. Javi's Rockin Kitchen from Isla Mujeres.